Welcome to Agent 5 Under 5 Minute series, where we build AI agents in under 5 minutes to solve real-life problems. As always, we start by describing the agent we would like to build. In this case, an agent that will manage our Google calendars, create morning briefings for us every morning. It will be aware of specific template files that we can upload as the agent's knowledge base, and will leverage those templates to prepare tailor-made documents on Google Docs for our meetings proactively. Now we can interact with this agent on the Agent 5 platform directly, but it's much more convenient to use the Telegram integration to have Out Assistant handy no matter where we're at. As always, we will start a stopwatch that will monitor the time it takes us to get to a working version. Once we have done that, we can describe our agent in natural language through the Builder chat. I will provide the agent purpose, include instructions, and mention what outcomes or goals I want the agent to achieve. I can mention pre-built scheduled tasks like a morning meetings brief and allow the platform to auto-enable one for me. The platform creates a vision of the requested agent with its purpose, capabilities, and potential tools it needs to use. Advanced tools like Google Calendar integration and Google Docs requires authentication against my Google account that I wish the agent to operate on. It's a simple process that many of us are familiar with, and since I have already done it in the past for my Agent 5 account for both Calendar and Google Docs, I can choose my already auth connections. Verify that tools are connected before proceeding. In our case, I want to showcase a very valuable feature where we require user approval for a specific tool or tool set. For example, I will require the calendar command initiation to be approved by the user before proceeding to the schedule or browsing the calendar. That seems about right. We can now generate the agent. After generation, we can always edit any of these sections to change and adjust our tools, knowledge, or agent behavior. Once the agent is generated, it is recommended to review the outcomes of the generation and the different settings that were assigned to that agent. In my case, I can train the agent to be aware of my specific templates that I might want the agent to produce for us. Let's upload the format we expect in planning meetings. The training is not only limited to file uploads, and it can include website scrapping and crawling websites, as well as placing free text notes. After training or setting changes, we need to deploy the agent. This will create a working version of the agent in the testing playground. However, as we mentioned, we want to interact with our agent through Telegram for convenience and mobility. We just need to follow the prompted steps and create a new bot through BotFather on Telegram. Once we get the token for that agent on Telegram, we need to place it back to Agent 5 modal, and that's it. The agent is connected to our Telegram bot, and we can start our conversations. Let's see that it responds. Woohoo! The agent is ready. Let's stop the clock and give it a go. The agent is multimodal by design, and that means it can react to voice messages. Let's try one. Hello. Please schedule a meeting for a dashboard building. We'll need to create a few storylines that you suggest for that meeting. And the meeting is happening on 12th of February from 2 p.m. UTC until around 4 p.m. And please add sales@agent5.com, please. Once the agent needs to operate the calendar, it will push a Telegram confirmation message that we can approve or reject. Good. As we can see in the response, the agent has placed the event and attached a file to it. Nice! We have the 12th of Feb event going until 4 p.m., and there's a Google Docs link right there. Let's click it. The agent has followed our template and created a sample storyline to discuss on that meeting. Think about it. If you're planning a trip, you can have a day-by-day plan prepared. Or if you are going to a flight, you can have a document with all relevant links and information for your flight. All is left to do is to accept the invite, and there you have it. A fully digital employee, ready to work on your schedule and prepare anything you need for your day-to-day. Remember the daily brief task schedule? We can see it is active. Let's fire it using the test button and see the result in our mailbox. Here it is. We went from describing an agent's purpose and goals to enhancing it with tools like Google Calendar, Docs, and Web Search, following by training it with our Docs templates for the required output, and finally connecting it all through our Telegram bot. Now when you're on the go, you can text or record a message to it, and it will take care of everything else for you, even getting your approval. Thank you for joining this session of Agent 5, Agents Under 5 Minutes. We can't wait to see what you are going to build with us. Comment and subscribe to our channel. Go on and start free on agent5.com now.